That is not bad at all. Shit. You know what? I was thinking about getting an S2000, but I mean, these things are just so goddamn nice. Ooh. What is that? Let's listen to it. Diablo, coño. Ooh, shit. Damn, yo. Look at the back. That's pretty badass, too. Reverse. Alright, let's go. Oh, that's not reverse. What do they have it all the way back there for? That's ridiculous. Maybe because there's 6 gears. And as long as I look good driving it, how do I look? That probably look pretty good. Shit. This car is totally me. I love it. Ooh.